Look at me. You can ask me anything.
I know. Okay, so here it goes. I don't want to die without being with Joss. But I also... I mean, this should be something we both want. I guess what I'm asking is...
I know what you're asking. I just hope that you'd be a little bit older when we had this conversation. Okay. Oh. You're curious about being intimate with Jocelyn, even though you're sick and who knows what's gonna happen, right?
I knew you'd understand.
Yeah, I get it. Believe me, I get it.
So, what should I do?
Do you love this girl?
Yeah, I love her.
I think she might love you too. When you love someone, being intimate, what we're really talking about is intimacy. And it's a whole lot more than just being physical with someone. It's the ability to share your entire self, all your truths, everything, completely bare. And that person can be that way with you too. It's about fitting, being together, showing love. Do you understand? Most people, they live their entire lives and they never experience that, not once, no matter how long they live. So, I think that makes you one very lucky young man.
Yeah, I guess I am lucky.
Yeah, you are.
You're pregnant?
Yes.
Oh, when did it? No, never mind. Forgot I asked.
It's a lot to process. It is.
Aren't you kind of old to be pregnant?
Clearly not.
I'm sorry. You're not old, Mom. You're beautiful. I just never, ever thought that you were gonna have another kid. I mean, I know that you and Sonny love each other. It's just kind of weird. No, you know what? Forgot I asked. I don't want to know. It's none of my business. I just, you're pregnant. And that's great. I'm just gonna need a minute to get used to it.
You got 9 months?